I'm the scribe. I was trying to get everyone their tickets.
Shh, they're running. They're running.
What?
Yeah, so that's not mine.
That's why.
And it feels even bigger when you're in there.
Good boy.
So when you walk in the front, like at Travis, is there going to be like a check-in place?
Check-in?
Yeah, like when you walk in here. I'm just picturing like...
You're going to walk into a lobby like that? A glass lobby?
Okay.
But when you walk, you just have a plan.
Yeah, I did.
When you walk into the lobby, that's, you can either walk into the crating room, which is this big.
Good job. Oh my gosh, loud clanking. Good boy. Oh, you stinker. Good choice, Sue.
So I don't know what you want to call it, chicken here, like for pets.
Good job.